One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my last video I left off with me actually redoing this closet, and I thought I was going to include the footage of me doing my prayer corner, but it was just going to be too long of a video, so I decided to separate the two and just start a whole new video, video for my prayer closet or prayer corner because it's just I just don't have, like, I can't devote a whole closet to my prayer space right now. I just don't have the space other than the dog's room downstairs, which I could do, but I would prefer to have it up here right now. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing. I don't know what I'm going to do as far as going forward with my doggy stuff downstairs, and when I'm going to start that. So but yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Tiffany. I love to do stuff like this, decorate, create spaces, and just organize and do hauls and all of the above. Like, this is a lifestyle channel, so I show you pretty much anything. So if you love those type of channels, make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and join my family. I would love for you to be included in my family, my YouTube family. Yes, these are my girls, Chloe and Remy. It's currently storming, so they're glued to me. They're stuck to me like glue, and this is a licker, so she will probably be licking throughout the rest of the video. But yeah, I'm not gonna hold y'all long. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I spoke about a room, my office downstairs, that I had moved my desk out of. Is because it's just so much chaos in that room right now. And I have, like, y'all know, if you're OGs, you know that I used to shop at Dollar Tree, and I would buy tons of stuff and haul it. And when I was going through my mental illness, my mental health issues, I would buy the stuff, but I never did end up using it. And so it all ended up being in the middle of the floor. There's like stuff all over the place in my office. The office is not even finished, like, as far as the walls and all that stuff. It's not even finished. So but I ended up moving my desk out of there, so it's just Dollar Tree stuff in there, and then my other crafting stuff that I had, my equipment and all that stuff is in there. But I went through that pile. I basically shopped my house, and I found majority of this stuff in there. But I did go to Dollar Tree because I had to go get some household stuff. So I did find a couple of items today to use in my crafting space. My prayer space. One being this board. It's a cork board. It was in the plus section. It was $5, so I'm going to be using that, utilizing that. And I got this book. This is a journal. It says Trust the Journey. So I'm going to use this journal in my prayer corner. I got this from Target a couple of weeks ago. So and then this is a unique box. It was given to me from someone. Her sister makes them. As you can see, it has my name on there. But it was loaded with a lot of biblical things. It had the books I have all over. Like devotionals, journals. Some of the stuff is still in here. I have a tea, which I'm going to hang it up. It actually still smells really good. She put this air freshener thing in here, and it smelled really good. It have some I guess these are napkins that says always pray and never give up, Luke 18:1. This is a planner that was in here, that was put in here. I never used it, but it's expired. It's a 2021-2022 because I already have a planner. But this is one of the notebooks that was put in here. This is a fan, one of those little fans. And then this is like a rock or whatever, a stone or rock. It says, for I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord, to give you a future and a hope. Jeremiah 29:11. This actually is my favorite verse, one of my favorite verses. And then these are just some reference verses that I'm going to hang up in here as well. So I really appreciate this box. I will never take it for granted, although things we're not on good terms anymore, but I do appreciate. I don't throw away anything that people give me, especially something like that, because that was thoughtful. And I mean, it's being used. This was one of the things that was put in there as well. I think her sister still makes them. If so, I can put her information down in the description box if you are wanting to get one of these. It's basically a prayer box. But again, I did say that I got this from Hobby Lobby last year, I want to say. I got it on clearance. I think it was like $7 after clearance price. But this is like it's a bench, but I've been using it to step on. It could be a stool as well. But I'm gonna use it in here as I use it in here to step up if I need to get something off the top shelves, but I also can use it as a prayer altar if I wanted to. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I got my little handy dandy drill and some screwdrivers, and I'm gonna have to get these girls out of here because I have limited space to move around. They are scared of the storm, so I'm hoping that it passes away pretty soon, because I don't have that much room in here. So girls, y'all gotta go. Y'all gonna find y'all little self back in here, won't you? Ain't you? I do have a pillow that I ordered. Maybe that'll keep them out of here for a minute. So I think I probably should hang up the board first. But gosh, I need a screwdriver for this board. Please, no. Go. Get. Maybe I could drill it.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance.
Alright, this is the finishing look of my prayer corner, and I'll show you guys my finished look of my full closet. So this is the actual pillow that I got. I can link it down below. I have my little prayer box and my altar there, and then this is just a little container of extra sticky notes and stuff, pens and glue sticks, and then I have my journals, and I didn't bring my Bible in here. I'll bring it in here when I come in here. This is just a rack that is actually holy oil, anointing oil, or whatever. I anoint myself and pray or whatever, and my extra cards. And then that's the tea that came in my prayer box. And I am actually all of those things. So, hey, somebody knew who I was. And then these little lights I got from Dollar Tree a long time ago. I had said it when I finished decorating the dog's room. I was going to hang them on a rope and to put them up in their room. You have to actually turn them on one by one, and some of them are dead already, and I don't even know where to get the batteries. This is the second shelf. I just have some extra pens in there, and my cross, and then my wall stickers. I think it turned out pretty well. I do want to print out something to hang on those two clips, and I did end up hanging up the Bless This House sign. I can hang up something there if I want to. And then my little bulletin board. I am all of these things. Like these, I picked up 3 that resonated with the most, which was redeemed, chosen, and free. I am truly free. So these cards really came in handy, and I'll change them out. But I'm going to be writing out some stuff to pin on my board as well. That's why I have all the sticky notes and stuff to pin on there. Any prayer requests that I have, or that people ask me to pray for them, I'll definitely, pin them on my board to make sure that I keep them in my prayers. But yeah, that is the corner, my prayer corner. And then I didn't do anything to my jewelry. I need to get an actual jewelry box because I'm like overfloated with jewelry now too. Sorry for the loud noise. That's my daughter, if you all can hear her. But the top is pretty much organized. That's pretty much blankets and stuff in that back container. That tote has my beach towels and my heating pad and stuff. I did not do much of anything over here. I just left it all where it was. These are all my grandmother. She passed away. All of the hats that I got from her, and that doll as well. So I just keep those up in the corner. My hats that I have hanging up and the ones I have here. This is my favorite hat ever. Oh my God, I just love, this is like me in one. Leopard print and color, that is me. I love me some color and I love me some leopard print, so I had to get that hat. All of my headbands. Back here, I have a basket of scarves. So I was not playing when I told y'all that I was an accessory fanatic. All of my bags, which you guys have seen. Then I have clothes underneath this time. And I do have a system going. You can't really tell, but I do have a system in place. Yeah, so my shoes are there. And these are the clothes, the little clothes that I have left. And then I have shoes on my door. I gotta find another shoe door hanger thingy because these keep falling out because they're torn up. They're stretched out or whatever and torn up. So I do have to get another one of those. But until then, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will chat with you all in another one. Peace.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart?